How to upload high quality stories on your Instagram account. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to your Instagram and go to your profile. As you can see right here, this is my profile for example. Now all what you have to do is go to the top right here and click on those three lines in the top corner like this, and then go to settings, and then all what you have to do is click on account option. After you click on account option, now all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just scroll down and click on cellular data use like this. And now all what you have to do is make sure to turn off this option. And yeah, that's it. This is all what you have to do so you can get high quality stories on your Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.